Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk fish curry, tenga pal mean curry. Ingredients are, and today I'm taking black pomfret. It's nicely washed and cleaned, and 2 tablespoons of ginger, and 3/4 cup of small onions cut into small pieces, and 1 tablespoon of curry leaves, and 2 green chilies slit. And this is a fish curry mix of chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, and jeera powder mix. And you can take 3 tablespoons for that. And I have a half kg of pomfret, black pomfret, and we also add a little bit of cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds, and 2 tomatoes. Now I'm going to show you how to cook. And we have the pan and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil you can use. And then once the oil is slightly heated up, and add a half teaspoon of fenugreek and half teaspoon of jeera. Add the finely chopped ginger and cook it for a minute. After a minute, just add the finely chopped small red onions and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes in slow fire, and add the green chili too. Cooking the onion, slightly add some salt. It helps the onion to caramelize faster. Slightly golden brown after 4 minutes of frying the onion, and now add the curry leaves. Finely chopped, I have taken 2 tomatoes, and add the tomatoes and let it fry that nicely until it becomes little smashed up. Now the tomato, onion, green chili, ginger, everything is nicely mixed up. Now sprinkle the masalas onto it. Mix and fry it in slow fire for 5 minutes. Let the masalas get into it. Add water to it, and probably based on the thickness that you would like to have, you can add the water. After a couple of minutes, add the fish to the gravy. Coming to a boil. See here, I have with me, I have taken a lemon size of tamarind and made it in a pulp, okay? And just pour that pulp as it comes to a boiling point. And don't drop the spoon inside this. Just shake it a little bit and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. Few minutes of cooking, slightly add some curry leaves to it. It gives some fine aroma to the fish curry. It's time to add a thick coconut milk, half cup of thick coconut milk, and just boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. And little bit of, at the grand finale, we'll pour little bit of coconut oil on top of it, and amazing fish curry will be ready. I will come back and show you. It's time to add maybe 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and it gives a fine aroma, and then leave it for 1 more minute. Now you could see the beautiful coconut fish curry ready. Tenga pal fish curry ready. And see you soon with another cooking video. And please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.